This you should have not done.
I don't know.
I am just telling you. This you should have not done.
Rakul, no. No. Don't
Okay.
blame him badly for
I am
idiot.
not. I am just saying get ready for memes.
No. But how cool.
It
If
is
you
what-
can touch your tongue to your nose and you can make a half flower.
Yeah, I
with
can
your
make a
mouth.
half flower.
Eh,
It's a level up from touching your nose.
So, मलिश्का की स्लैम बुक में आपका स्वागत है मिजान.
Thank you.
आपका नाम,
This is Mizan Jafri.
निकनेम,
इसमें बोला.
Mizan.
आपकी असली आवाज ऐसी ही है क्या? Just kidding.
मेरी असली आवाज actually ऐसे
Yeah.
right now this yeah.
Okay. That was not even part of the script. She said that it's gone bass, so I was like, is it like this all the time?
No, it's like a subconscious reaction, I guess, at this point. Whenever we've been doing brand bites also, I'm like, hi guys, this is Mizan Jafri.
वरना घर पे कैसे बोलते हैं आप?
घर पे ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ,
अच्छा,
like this.
It's cool. It's
Yeah.
still there. Okay, girls are still crushing on you. Yes. Birth date.
9th March 95.
आपका पहला ever celebrity crush.
Kareena Kapoor. In various films, yeah, you know, especially Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. So yeah,
Poo.
yeah, Poo.
पू किसे पसंद नहीं थी? हम सब
Exactly.
हम सब पू बनना चाहते थे, फिर पार्वती बन गए. अगर आपके पापा को आपको एक शब्द में डिस्क्राइब करना होता तो वो क्या होता?
Serious.
हाँ.
Yeah, he's right.
He is.
He's right.
जो आप स्क्रीन पे ये इमेज देखते हैं ना कि exactly वाली इमेज या आदि यू आर सो स्मार्ट वाली इमेज, that's not at all there in at home. तो पापा
But
जो
you're
है
also his son, so you know that image.
I
can't
guess
be-
हाँ I guess वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए अप्लाई होता है I guess.
तो you're saying अगर आप अपने पापा को डिस्क्राइब करते तो it would be serious.
Very yes.
अगर आपके पापा आपको डिस्क्राइब करते तो नहीं, भाई-
नादान है ही
नादान
उसे.
Okay. The actor जिसकी energy on set always pushes you to level up.
Rakul.
Okay.
Oh wow, thank you.
Now you're not asking him just because you're sitting next to me. मैंने जब बोला you asked me
क्या?
कि you're not just saying
नहीं
this
अच्छी लगती है ना खुद की तारीफ.
because- होनी ही चाहिए. If there's a beautiful girl next to you and she has a brain also, she all of us.
Absolutely.
Okay. अगर आप किसी एक बॉलीवुड स्टार के साथ लाइव स्वैप कर सकते for a day, who would it be and why?
Shah Rukh Khan.
No, of course.
And I would love to just stand outside Mannat and do that once.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
क्यों करना चाहते? एक
That's it. I would just love to see the amount of love जो मेरी तरफ न्योछावर किया जाएगा at that point of time.
No, but it's you're getting it. You're just not seeing it. You have to stand on your balcony, Mizan.
I guess I have to find a house on Bandstand.
Yeah. Okay. आपका most useless but hilarious talent.
I don't know if it's useless or hilarious, but I can make like a half flower with my tongue.
This you should have not done.
I don't know.
I am just telling you. This you should have not done.
Rakul, no. No. Don't
Okay.
blame him badly for
I am
idiot.
not. I am just saying get ready for memes.
No. But how cool.
It
If
is
you
what-
can touch your tongue to your nose and you can make a half flower.
Yeah, I
with
can
your
make a
mouth.
half flower.
Eh,
It's a level up
Also
from
coming
touching your
up with
nose.
a thing going. Show again.
I don't have any such
Just
talent.
check, guys. Oh my god. Oh my, that's amazing. Guys, what he
Yeah.
can do with his tongue. I mean,
Oh God.
Now I need to. Now
Yeah.
it's going somewhere else.
no way. Look at this. What he can do with his tongue. Make half a flower.
It's
That's
just leave it anyway.
That's lovely. Thank you. This is so nice. We're getting to know you. Okay. If your love life or a movie genre, तो वो क्या होता?
Thriller. I think
क्या?
I'm always at the edge of the seat, you know, always running यहाँ से वहाँ, यहाँ बाइक पे यहाँ भाग रहा हूँ, यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा हूँ. So it would be like an action thriller, I
So
guess.
let's just get to it. Are we single?
Single, very much so.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
तो ये thrills कहाँ से मिला? I'm fully involved. She's like,
Thrills तो सिर्फ सिंगल आदमी के लाइफ में होते हैं ना.
नहीं. I disagree.
नहीं यार.
अलग kind of thrills. हैं
अलग
वो.
kind of
Yeah,
thrills.
yeah.
She's been single. She's married. She's having a great
True.
time. Okay. So I want to get into that a little more. आपका green flag और red flag क्या है relationships में?
Red flag is not treating everybody equally. कि उसका रवैया अगर किसी और के साथ बदल जाए और किसी और के साथ सेम रहे तो I don't like that. Green flag is again the same thing. जो एक जिसमें सादगी हो, जो आराम से जमीन पे भी बैठ के खाना खा सके.
अच्छा वैसे.
Yeah. Attitude ना हो बिल्कुल.
अच्छा.
You know.
Okay. आप में एक कौन सी चीज है जो green flag मानी जा सकती है?
I can get along with anyone.
Really cute.
Anybody.
I-
Anybody. All stratas of life, all backgrounds, मैं सबके साथ घुल मिल सकता हूँ.
True?
Yeah,
Rakul?
yeah.
Okay. All right. क्या आप डेटिंग ऐप पर जाते हैं, मैट्रिमोनियल पे जाते हैं या फिर मॉम एंड डैड की चॉइस होती?
मैं DM request में जाता हूँ.
He's a slider into.
No.
No?
I'm responding to the ones who have slided into.
Oh,
Who
so
slid into, sorry.
So you're saying कि अगर इस वक्त कोई खूबसूरत हसीना जो जमीन पे बैठकर भी खाना खाएगी देख रही है, she can slide into your DMs.
She can, of course.
Okay,
Yeah.
we have quite a few people who I know you will. Okay. आपका most embarrassing fan encounter.
हाँ, but she thought I was somebody else.
Oh.
Then it becomes embarrassing for you.
Yeah, that was embarrassing
Well,
only
I
for
hope
me.
you gave autograph and photograph.
I did.
Who
I
did
did.
she think you?
She asked me if I'm Jackie Shroff's son. And
That's a tag.
yeah, I don't even look like remotely close to Tiger. Like I love him, but like I don't look similar to Tiger. But she said it. I said, "जी मैम आ जाइए आप."
This is-
मैंने smile करके ले ली photo, मैंने sign भी कर दिया. I signed as Tiger, by the way.
Oh my
Oh,
God, he is
so
a green
sweet,
flag यार,
so
रकुल
sweet.
यार. बड़ा green flag है.
मैंने
Okay.
मतलब मना किया है.
This
हाँ,
happened at
नहीं, मैं
Southern
बस-
Side, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened, man?
हमारी promotion चल रही थी, so it just
तभी
happened
हुआ?
recently. जी.
Okay. I will tell Tiger to sign once as you at least it will happen. पहली चीज जो आपने अपने खुद के पेचेक से खरीदा.
iPhone.
Okay. Weirdest rumor जो आपने अपने बारे में सुना है.
I'm vegetarian.
Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not. But
Oh,
वो
yeah.
मैंने सुना था.
Okay, that is-
And I was just like,
Still the rumors are cute, Rakul.
Yeah.
एक financial advice जो आपने मुश्किल से सीखा है that you'd like to share.
मैं जी पे बंद ही रखता हूँ मेरा. That is
Scam हो गया?
yeah. नहीं. Otherwise it's like constantly,
अच्छा,
you know, jeeping stuff and buying stuff for no
पैसे
reason.
मतलब ऐसे उड़ने.
And by the time you know वो पैसे सब खत्म हो गए फिर.
Got it,
Yeah.
got it. Honey, you know, stars feel like that.
Yeah.
We were just discussing it the other day कि कैसे है जीपे की वजह से. Okay, आपका biggest guilty spend क्या है?
Perfume, cologne,
Okay, complete the line. For me, happiness is.
gym.
और इतना मतलब can't tell also.
No, it's just me, and I think it
Yeah.
would apply to her
To
as
her
well.
also.
Yeah,
The
we're
her
very
to mine.
similar in that
मैं
aspect.
जानती हूँ.
Yeah.
Didn't you hurt yourself in the gym?
Yeah.
only?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since a year I've been
Yeah.
struggling with that. We'll chat about that.
I know this. All right. दे दे प्यार दे.
Yes.
आपने किसी को कहा हो और उसने इनकार किया हो, ऐसा कभी हुआ है लाइफ में? और
जी
कब?
बहुत बार.
बताओ ना.
तो indirectly एक लड़की से कहा था, but she was in love with somebody else.
अरे
Yeah.
ठीक
तो
है
बोला
ना.
चल हट.
नहीं चल हट नहीं बोला उसने, तो रिस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं किया. चल हट बोल दी थी तो फिर भी बेटर होता.
ये
Zero
was
response.
it before you became the
I
Mizan?
scold.
मतलब before your voice broke and your hair grew out?
I think the more Mizan I'm becoming, the more difficult it is becoming with women, because women become even more pricey then. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
Yeah.
We
I know
like
what you
थोड़ा,
mean.
हाँ, तो ठीक है थोड़ा चीज. We'll come to Rakul also. I want to know whether the chase is a good thing or no. Men have to chase ना थोड़ा सा.
Yeah. But chase the right women.
Yeah.
Finally, आपके बदन पे कितने तिल हैं?
हाय कैसा सवाल है यार मनुष्का.
I don't know, but I have 5-6 on my face, जो दाढ़ी की वजह से छुप जाते हैं. I have one in my eyebrow, I have one here in the mustache. तो वैसे काफी है. मेरे हाथ पे like 5-6 हैं.
I have
So
12-13 on my face.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
क्या बात है. This is like face and this thing is all पैसों से related. Mizan.
Oh yeah?
Okay. Thank you very much, Mizan. Was
Thank
so
you.
nice to get to know you. I know when you
Thank
come
you.
back in, I don't know, a couple of years, you'll be a changed man, and I but hope you'll still be this.
For the better.
This Pookie है. Rakul.
Hello.
At the end of this तो वो होना चाहिए. क्या वो hamper होना चाहिए. But there is.
हाँ मतलब बिना हैम्पर के हमसे
बिना
जवाब
hamper
निकलवा
के.
रहे हो.
All right. Name.
राकुल.
Nickname.
No. 5 alphabet को क्या निक करेंगे ना?
कुछ तो होगा, राक्षस,
But there are
रघु,
so there are some people who call me. there are some people. There's one director of mine who calls me Raksi.
हाँ.
So on my other film that I'm shooting right now, everybody calls me Raksi.
See, that's a good one. Birth date.
10th October.
Oh, Libra -11.
Yeah. Oh
Sugar
really?
day.
Oh wow.
तुम रेखा मैं बच्चन जी is happening. I'm just saying. अच्छा आपका पहला celebrity crush.
Ranveer Singh, Band Baja Barat. Matlab, I think I was in school and I saw Band Baja Barat and I was like, oh my god, this guy, and Ranveer knows it. I think my first ever celebrity crush, first and only celebrity crush, after Shah Rukh sir, of course. Shah Rukh sir is an all-time crush.
I just
But more than crush, he's somebody you like, you just admire. And Ranveer.
Jackie crush कब बने वो जाना.
Jackie तो प्यार बन गया ना.
हाँ. पर crush से शुरुआत हुई होगी.
नहीं वो डायरेक्ट तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
The first film that made you say मुझे actor बनना है.
The first film that made me say.
जो देखकर तुम्हें लगा.
नहीं ऐसा कोई एक मोमेंट नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में. You know, I was always a very filmy kid और मेरे दिमाग में था बचपन से कि एक बार तो ट्राई करूंगी. So when actually I did my first film in right after school, which was a कनाडा फिल्म इन द साउथ, वो करते करते मुझे लगा यार ये तो बहुत मजेदार है, अब तो मुझे यही प्रोफेशन करना है, बट आई विल डू इट प्रॉपर्ली, आई विल फिनिश माय एजुकेशन, देन आई विल मूव टू बॉम्बे, डू इट. सो इट वाज लाइक दैट.
Got it. And it's stuck. Favorite corner आपके घर में?
माय बेडरूम.
If you don't elaborate, then people's minds go
Okay,
to
my
places.
bedroom, because I think it's very peaceful, and I think it's really I love to lounge and watch movies and just chill, and I think there's some energy, right, and certain corners of your house have that. No matter how tired I am, the moment I enter the room and I'm like,
ये बेडरूम तो देखना बनता है. इतना सुकून है.
बहुत सुकून है, बहुत सुकून है.
Okay. Weirdest rumor जो आपने अपने बारे में सुना है?
बहुत weird सुने. I don't think I should ignite fuel only to
पर एक छोटा सा मतलब.
I've said this before कि मैंने जब अपना पहला घर खरीदा हैदराबाद में, तो ऐसा रूमर आया कि ये घर मुझे गिफ्ट किया गया है, right? Because obviously a girl can't do anything on her own, and if she's successful, then definitely she can't do anything on her own. So there are a lot of rumors associated to that, whereas my father has done the paperwork for me, and my father takes care of all my accounts and all my things. So ऐसे बहुत rumors आते हैं that sometimes you get so angry and then you're like whatever.
Their sister, congratulations. I have huge
Doesn't
respect
matter.
for women and their homes.
Yeah.
अगर आप time travel कर सकती तो would you go to the past, future, or sneak into the future?
Oh,
Emma?
past. I would go to 90s. I would go to my school days. I would go to my college days. जहाँ college में तक तो phone आ गया था. But I'm saying when there were no mobile phones and there was just a human interaction, और आप playground में खेलने जाते थे बच्चों के साथ और पिट्ठू खेलते थे और ये सब चीजें करते थे. So I think I would just go back to the days of no mobile phone.
पहली चीज जो आपने अपने खुद के पेचेक से खरीदी?
पहली चीज मैंने एक्चुअली मॉडलिंग से थोड़े से पैसे इकट्ठे करके डैड के लिए एक Nokia E65 फोन आया था, which was a business phone. I'd bought that.
It's all about loving your parents. I love
Yeah.
it. What is a green flag in a man according to you?
I think to understand your own individuality, and to respect that, and to see your woman also flourish as much as the woman likes to see the man flourish.
All right. The most unglamorous thing about being an actor आपके हिसाब से?
Most unglamorous thing.
Glamour तो
Everything that goes behind that glamour. Like you should see me when I sleep at night. My hair is oiled. My face has 10 layers of creams. And then, I also like have another layer of lip balm. And then I also oil my nose sometimes. And then Jackie's like, what? Entry तो किसी और ने मारी थी. This is somebody else. So, वो ये, he's like मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है. So I'm like वैसा लगने के लिए ऐसा लगना पड़ता है.
Point. A talent that you have that no one knows about.
I can look at a plate of food and calculate the calories and macros that it has. So I can literally tell you कि इस पे कितना approximate calories होगा, कितना protein, carbs और fat होगा.
It's an app.
I'm an app. मैथमेटिक्स ऑनर्स मैंने इसी में यूज किया है ना.
Okay, आपका अकाउंट कोई स्टॉकिंग अकाउंट है Instagram पे? And whom did you stalk last?
No, I have no stalking account.
So then you don't stalk?
She
I
does
don't
it from her
stalk.
normal account.
I'll stalk from my normal account. How do you know I do it from my normal account?
Because I do it from my normal account.
Well, I'm very
but we all don't.
call stalking. Guys.
But listen, why to stalk now? There's anyways everything is anyways popping
But
on
how will
Instagram.
they know that I've stalked them from my
Stalking
normal
is
account?
generally मतलब stories पे
Nobody
जाते-
will know.
जाते हो तो दिखता है ना वैसे वाला. Okay, finally for me happiness is
State of being.
जब आपने किसी को दे दे प्यार दे बोला हो और उन्होंने बोला चल हट.
नहीं मेरे साथ चल हट मोमेंट नहीं हुआ
अच्छा
thankfully.
उल्टा जब किसी ने आपको बोला था दे दे प्यार दे और आपने बोला था चल.
हाँ हुआ है चल हट.
बता.
बताऊं?
हाँ,
Elaborate
तो-
स्कूल में यार.
School.
I'll tell you what Mizan was saying now. The more, see, after school I started acting, I started modeling, I started working at the age of 18. And I feel कि जब आप showbiz में आ जाते हो ना, it becomes people think, oh my god, so many people must have reached out to you, but you become inaccessible. And the kind of people you meet is very limited. आप इंडस्ट्री के ही लोगों से मिल रहे हो, and the other people feel, oh, you are not accessible, and how do we reach out to them? So actually, you don't meet a lot of people.
This is true. People tell me the same thing. So Jackie
Yeah.
was a good thing to happen.
Oh,
at the
very
time
good
from
thing.
within there. When was the last time जब आपने जैकी को कहा दे दे प्यार दे?
वो मुझे रोज बोलता है. उसका जोक है, वो लोगों को भी बोलता है. आजकल मैं इसको बोलता जाता हूँ, दे दे प्यार दे
14th of November, guys, Children's Day, a film like this where बड़े बच्चों के लिए है, but it sounds like a good film. I had a good time watching the trailer. I wish you all the very best.
Thank
you,
you.
बजाते रहो 93.5 Red FM
बजाते रहो